Polling taking place in Uttar Pradesh, 67 constituencies spread across 11 districts are going to the polls for UP. This is the second of its 7-phase polling. The stakes are high for the state's ruling Samajwadi Party, which holds a 34 of the 67 seats. Now, the districts going to polls form part of UP's Rohilkhand region. That's a paddy and sugarcane belt in which cane dues are expected to be a big issue. Another big issue is the notes ban, which the BJP claims it has support for. It's crucial for the BJP to dent the Samajwadi stronghold, and the BSP is counting on a decisive Muslim vote in the area. So crucial elections for all around. The BJP won 49 seats in the 2014 Lok Sabha election, and they'll be hoping to repeat that success. It won 10 seats in the 2012 assembly polls, and they will be hoping for more support. Now, will the loan waiver promise win the farmer votes, and will the promise to clear sugarcane dues work? Remember, that's a big issue. Farmer issues is a big issue in this region, and the 2014 polarization, is that still a decisive factor? That's not clear. Will the notes ban be a boost or a dent for the BJP? That's what everyone is wondering. Well, Sonal joins us from Bijnor and Alok from Pilibhit. Sonal, first you tell us, I can see a big crowd around you, and so polling seems to be going along briskly. Tell us more about the issues in the area.
Well, polling going out in big strength and big numbers at the moment. Let me just take you to these visuals where people have been queuing up since early morning to come and cast their vote. Remember, this is a place, Bijnor, which has been very communally sensitive. Attempts made to polarize votes over here, be it last September and this time just a few days back as well. We come to you from this line of women. Women supposed to be the very decisive vote. It's also said in UP that despite what men in the family might say, women are the one who have got their own mind and might be the decision maker and the game changer this time around. मैडम, आप मुझे बताएं, आप कह रही थी इस बार किस ऐसा मुद्दा है जिस पर आप जाके अंदर वोट डालने वाली हैं?
जी, हमें तो ऐसा मुद्दा है जिस पर डालना है, पर हमारा जो मन में है वो हम अपना मन पूरा करेंगे।
बताएंगी नहीं आप किसी को किस पर वोट डाल रही हैं, लेकिन किस मुद्दे पर डालेंगी?
वो मुद्दा जो हमारी रक्षा करेगा उस मुद्दे को देंगे हम तो।
सिक्योरिटी की बात करिए। मैडम, आप बता रही थी नोटबंदी का मामला इस बार बहुत क्रूशियल होने वाला है।
हाँ, तो वो तो गिरेगा ही वोट, तो इसकी वजह से जो सुबह से शाम तक लाइन में लगा रहा है तब भी नंबर नहीं आया, परेशान रहे सुबह से शाम तक, तो वोट तो गिरेगा ही नोटबंदी का।